Hey Sarah, what are you doing here?
I've heard it all, Markus.
What did you hear?
You lied to us all. Why did you do that? You don't do that.
I wasn't lying. I'm really sick.
That is not true. You just said that to get Lisa to spend time with you again.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to give you a chance. Tell Lisa the truth today. Otherwise, I'll do it.
Sarah, please. I really love Lisa.
If you love her, you must be honest with her.
Then she'll hate me.
That is their decision, not ours. You've got 24 hours. Hey Markus. How are you doing today?
Not so good. I feel really bad.
Is it because of your illness?
Yes, that's right. It's because of the disease.
Poor you. I hope you feel better again soon.
I hope so too.
I'll go in once. Otherwise, Mr. Coons will get angry.
Okay, Lisa. See you soon.
Have you already talked to Lisa, Markus?
Yes, I spoke to her.
Did you tell her the truth?
No, not yet. I don't know how to tell her. I'm afraid of how she'll react.
That is not my problem. You've got until tomorrow, Markus.
Please give me more time, Sarah.
No. Absolutely not. If you haven't told her by tomorrow, she'll hear from me.
Hey Lisa. I need to talk to you. Preferably before we go to school.
Of course, Markus. What is going on? Are you feeling bad again?
Yes, I noticed that I still need to thank you.
What do you want to thank you for?
For helping me out so much.
That goes without saying. Finally.
No, it isn't. You're really great. That's why I'd like to give you these flowers.
Wow, Markus. That is great. You're the best. Are we going to school together?
Yes, I'd love to.
Hey Sarah. How are you doing? Hi Lisa. Has Markus talked to you yet? Yes, he did. He even gave me flowers. He did something? He gave me flowers. They are really lovely. Lisa, Markus is lying to you. He is not ill at all. What are you saying there? Markus is a liar. He just wants you to spend time with him. He is healthy. He doesn't have an illness. And how do you know that? I overheard him talking to a friend about it.
Sarah is lying, Lisa. Don't believe her. I would never lie to you.
Lisa, I'm your best friend. Please believe me. Markus wouldn't do that. You're not a good friend, Sarah. You're probably just jealous. Markus, come on. Let's go.
Who lied? A. Markus. B. Sarah. C. Lisa. Write a comment.